What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video today. Hopefully we've got the microphone working perfectly. I've been doing some testing over the weekend just to see what kind of settings is working best, and I think that I finally have it. So we finally have good audio. Now, the reason why you clicked on this video is not because of the audio issues that we've been having, but if it is, then consider your prayers answered because it's now fixed. Anyways, moving on to the title of this video. The number one boring business to start. What is a boring business? I don't really know what the definition of a boring business is. I'm going to assume just a general boring topic like accounting, laundromats, car washes, dry cleaners, stuff like that. Something that's been around for centuries, but it's a boring business and it's a proven concept. Anyways, to not waste any of your time, because I know that your time is valuable as well as my time. So getting right into it, the number one boring business to start, I think, is a VAS-based business. Now, what is a VAS-based business? In short, it's virtual accounting services. That is a pretty generic topic. VAS, virtual accounting services, could be personal tax returns, corporate tax returns, general bookkeeping, monthly reporting, payroll, stuff like that. We're not going to get too detailed into the specific types of VASs that you can start. If you want to learn more about what a VAS actually is, go through my channel. I've made a couple of videos talking specifically what it is. But in today's video, we're going to be going over the 3 reasons why VAS-based businesses are the best boring business to start. So, starting with number 1, it is in huge demand right now. Today, as of right now, as of this very second, accounting is in huge demand, and by the year 2030, 75% of the CPAs today are going to be retired. So that is basically saying, hey, in 5 years from now, 75% of your competition is going to be gone. The demand, if anything, is going to get more because there's more people on earth, there's more businesses being started, and every business that gets started, there's a tax return that has to be done. And for a business to get their tax return done, they have to have some kind of monthly bookkeeping or annual bookkeeping, anything. And if that company has staff, they need payroll, they need reports. Every single entity, whether it's a human being or a corporation, needs a tax return done. So by the year 2030 comes around, 75% of your competition is going to be gone, and the demand for it is only going to go higher. Anyways, long and short, the competition is almost nil. The demand is so high where if you were to start right now, you would get your first couple clients within your first 1, maybe 2 months max. Moving on to reason number 2 is going to be location. This is a business and a service that you can provide and a business that you can run 100% from your laptop. Now, you can open up a storefront and have a brick and mortar location. I'm not fully against that, but I don't say start with that. You can 100% start this from your computer, and you can provide the service online. You don't need any kind of store, anything like that. Unlike a car wash, you need a location, you need actual buildings. Dry cleaners, same thing. You need a building, or you're going to work out of your house. Maybe your house doesn't quite facilitate that. Or even if you're doing a car wash, you need a building. Okay? If you're doing a laundromat, you need a building. Okay? With this kind of service, you can do it 100% from your laptop with no issues. As long as you have a computer and an internet connection, you can do this. Now, moving on to number 3 is you can structure this business however you want. Now, what do I mean structure it? The students who join my program, shameless plug, I teach 9-to-5 accountants, or if you're in a 9-to-5 or anyone like that, how to start, grow, and scale your own VAS-based business. Now, what I tell my students is there's 2 types of business structures that you can have with your own VAS-based business, virtual accounting service. You can have a lifestyle business or you can have a growth business. A lifestyle is you rarely work. You work maybe 10, 15, 20 hours a week, if that. You're making 5, 10, 15, maybe 20K a month. But overall, it's a very lifestyle business. It's catered to lifestyle, having the free time that you want, the location freedom that you want, and the financial freedoms. You're not rich. You're not buying Lamborghinis and Ferraris with this money, but you are free 100%. You can eat what you want, buy what you want, travel when and where you want. You can buy first-class tickets. You can stay in 5-star hotels. You can do anything you want with that lifestyle business. Now, on the flip side, there's another kind of business. structure, and that is a growth business. This is more for the ambitious entrepreneur type. This is the kind that I'm getting into. This is where you're working 40, 50, 60, 80 hours a week, and you are scaling this like crazy. You're hiring staff, you're getting managers in, you're getting receptionists in. Okay, you're really taking your marketing and sales seriously. You are in growth mode. Now, what does this look like? This looks like a minimum $50,000 a month, and this can go all the way up to $150,000, $250,000, sometimes even $300,000 per month. In fact, I know a couple people who have been in the business for a long time, and they have huge firms. I'm talking maybe not hundreds, but they've got 50, 60, 80 different locations across the US, and they're making 25, 30 million. That is a serious growth firm, okay? When you're in a growth firm, you are working all the time. It is basically grind mode. Now, if that's what you want, fly at it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. You will make a lot of money, but just so you know, there is a flip side. There is a lifestyle kind of firm. Now, why do I bring this up? Because let's say if you were to start a car wash, I'm going to assume, at least for the first couple of years, you're going to need to be there every weekend, maybe during the week, just to maintain it, clean it up, make sure no one's breaking anything, make sure it's operating smoothly. If there's trash around, if you're running a car wash, you don't want people showing up to a place where there's trash, people are leaving all their garbage outside. Maybe there's homeless people. No offense to homeless people, I feel for them, but if you're running a business, that's how you pay your bills. That's how you feed your family. Okay, and having homeless people hanging around isn't going to be the best look. Anyways, getting off topic. With that being said, you guys, those are the three main reasons why I think a virtual accounting service business is the best boring business that you can start. It's guaranteed. It's simple to do. If you want to learn exactly how and you want to go from $0 to $5,000 per month, then click the links below, check them out. And with that being said, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.